Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And well, I already announced this on my Discord server a few days ago, but it's approaching the 11th of the 11th, or the 11th of November this year again. And what that means is the truthfully biggest sale of Aliexpress. Now it seems like Aliexpress has a sale every other week, but the 11th of the 11th really is their big sales day. And well, I always try to give that a little bit of attention. Today we're going to do a normal QuinBoxed, but I just wanted to have this header in here to check out the description where I've listed some items you might be interested in. And also make sure to check back to previous QuinBoxed, for instance, where I showed off some nice USB sticks that are quite cheap but perform really well. I recently got a Axiom T3A soldering station that has been really excellent. So if you're looking to upgrade your equipment, maybe check that out. I'll have it linked on my Quin LED equipment and tools and stuff page, because most of the stuff on there will be on sale. And if you catch this a few days before the sale and hey, you want to help me and the channel out, the way it works is you basically enter Aliexpress using one of my links, and then anything or most of the things you do after that will still count as giving me a little bit of affiliate revenue. So if you want to take that extra step, I'll have some links you can maybe bookmark in your bar or however you use your browser nowadays, and enter Aliexpress using that link and add it to cart. And when you pay for the stuff, and that should help me out, get me a little bonus. So, enough about that. I really hate asking that all the time, but it does really keep things going here, especially these QuinBoxed things. I mean, you know how it works. So, anyway, let's go to the desk view. Yes, my favorite tools are there. One that is most hated by you, which kind of makes it funny. And of course, a pair of scissors. So, well, let's open this one first, because, well, this is an interesting little box, okay? And, well, if you pay careful attention, I've already opened this, because I've already been using this for a week. But I wanted to do a sort of unboxing on QuinBoxed anyway, although it's fake. This is a fake unboxing. Is that a thing? Can we make this a new category on YouTube? Fake unboxings. Anyway, what this is a new tester, and it's from the same company I often buy my testers from, and that is, I need to sit back a little bit. Yeah, from Rui Deng. I also believe my oh, that's from Raiden, my desktop power supply. But Rui Deng makes really awesome little testers, and this one has a Type-C input and a Type-C output, but it's bi-directional, so power can come from this way or that way, and it makes it very easy to do cable testing for USB-C, because you can plug this into the target device or into the charger, and then measure what's going on in between. And as I said, I've already been using this for about a week now, and it's a very nice little device. I like it a lot. It's not the cheapest tester out there, but it's, from what I've been able to tell, very accurate. It updates very fast, and well, it's been able to handle everything I've been able to throw at it. It also doesn't drop a lot of power when you have power going through it. It's fully USB, quick charge, PD, trigger, whatever you want to do with it. And I believe you can even get a version that has Bluetooth, so you can hook it up to your phone or your computer and use some tooling there. So if you're looking for a tester with USB-C, I can highly recommend this one. So that's not really the QuinBoxed spirit, is it? I shouldn't have tested it already, I guess. I don't know. Feels like cheating. Oh, right. Well, if you're looking for a... Oh, yes, we need... everyone is using Baseus. Well, I talk about them often enough. Not sponsored. But, yeah. So, a 100 watt capable, generally that just means that there is enough copper in there in the cable that it's able to carry 5 amps, basically, instead of 3 amps, which then would be 65 watt. Type C to Type C, but this one has a little display on it. And, well, you know me, and I'm a sucker for cables. Oh, wow, it's really tiny. It's like barely bigger than a normal plug would be. Interesting. Do I have a USB-C port here I can abuse? No, I do not. Damn, I will fetch one. Hold on. Right, one fetching of a power brick later. Let's unspool this a little bit. And, I don't know, let's put the non-metered side in the power brick. And let's get a random phone, which is my phone, of course. Let's plug it in here. And let's turn it on. Okay, charging 2 watt, 3 watt, 5, 6, 8, 8 watt. Okay, let's turn off the screen. 8 watt. That's not a lot. I actually plugged it into a socket monitoring device, so it's correct, but it's just not a lot. I expected this to do more PD stuff. Fast charging, okay. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay, well, my phone is 70% full, so it's not going to do a lot of fast charging because it's already relatively there. Cool, but yeah, it's a little wattage display in the plug, and awesome. Now, I don't believe these were cheap, but you know me and measurements and metering stuff and those kind of things. Yeah, if you're looking to do a little bit of measurement so you just know what's going on, this might be a better option than the full meter, although that will tell you a lot more details, of course. We've been here long enough. Let's move on. Let's move on. Oh yes. Ooh. So I tested those thin Ethernet cables before, and I kind of like them. And I have an application for those coming up in the future. Can't talk too much about them yet. Oh, or about that yet. Where I needed some different colors. So I have some blue ones here, and some white ones, and some black ones. Blue. Well, I'll sort this out later. These are just the same cables. I actually have it lying here as this one, so it's very thin, but it seems well constructed, and I like the plugs on them. And well, I only needed very short lengths for this application, which might not even be Ethernet or IP related. And yeah, I wanted cables. So now I've got them. Got the cables. Right, let's stay in the cable territory because base on user is what Baseus calls itself now, or what their slogan is. It's odd that they didn't start with that, but maybe I just missed it. Who knows? Who knows? Right. Oh, more cables. Oh, it's the same thing, but then different. Come on. Right, we don't need this box anymore. I'm going to throw the box away anyway. So yeah, I guess the theme of the day today is if you want to measure... Jesus! The theme of the day is... I can't get this out. Okay, I got it out. If you want to measure stuff, there's multiple ways you can go, I guess. I like the full meters, but you can certainly get the this type of cable, which will, you know, give you an indication of how fast the charging is actually going. So I have a quick charge port for USB-A here, so let me plug that in. Hold on, I need to get very close to the camera. And let's see if you know, see what that does. Okay, it's also fast charging. 15, 16. Oh, nice. 16 watt. Cool. Okay. But it works. It gives you a good indication of what this cable looks like. It's a very nice, you know, small display, but still well readable. I like the design. And these should also be 5 amp cables, so they should be able to deliver a decent amount of power. And I believe they're also fully quick charge and PD compatible, so they can also handle the 9 and the 12 and the 20 volts. Right. But I have no clue what's in here. Let's see together. Oh, it is cables. It is cables, but of a different type. These are some additional multimeter probes. Wow, that's a fancy little bag there. Okay. Right, so I have a portable oscilloscope. Sorry, multimeter. I have a portable oscilloscope, and I have more than one channel on there, but I only have one probe. So I figured I'd get some more probes. Nice. I like the backs they came in. Those are cool. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna cut it anyway. I'm not using the safety tool today. I guess I'm not feeling very safe. We're on the dangerous tour here, using scissors. Oh no. Yes, more cables. For some testing I was doing, Baseus released some new 100 watt cables. I believe, yeah, it also states it on here, the 100 watt logo. So there's more copper in here to basically allow for 5 amps instead of 3 amps. And for certain applications, that might be interesting, especially for longer lengths. So we have a 1 meter here. It doesn't actually say it, but we have a 2 meter over here. So you'd think I'd have enough cables at some point. I think so too. But hey, oh, we're going to use the tool. Oh, there we go. Oh, this isn't for me. This is for the girlfriend because she had one of these cases for her S21, and well, she had it for about half a year, and it started to look a little bit ragged. I don't know, something like that. So she said, like, hey, could you get me the same case but like in 2 different colors? And these were about $3 or $4 each, I think. $3 or $4 isn't bad if they last half a year. And she likes the texture design and stuff like that. So, yeah. A phone case. Also a great thing to get during the sale. Look, listen to me here selling you guys stuff. Oh, okay. Well, this is the last item, and that's this. I think I can imagine what's in here. It's what I'm mostly curious about, because every so often I delve into the pitfall of ordering clothing or shoes from Aliexpress. Now there's more than this coming, but it's probably not going to make it in this QuinBoxed, or I might edit it after this because I'm not going to release it immediately. But we'll see, we'll see. But this, I believe, is a new winter jacket. Ugh. So no clue what quality that's going to be. Wow, okay. I believe I ordered a ridiculous size. Yes, there it is. Okay. So this is a 7XL. And I'm not that big. I mean, but I think it's like equivalent to XXL in Europe. But for Chinese size measurements, that's XXL. I don't know how many X's I had, but probably enough. So yeah, from a brand called I don't know. I'm just gonna stop now. And Cool Plus UV Cut Tech. It has tech. Nice. Stretch. Okay, outdoor exploration. Nice. What? Yes, here we go. We will give a full play to the sense of beauty of different style with our professional knowledge, personal emotional experience, creative design and careful production by which continuously stimulate. I don't know if I want to be continuously stimulated by you, Super Sport, but okay, I'll try and deal with that. Let's get this off. I don't know how to show you guys this because my camera isn't wide enough. Oh, okay. It feels pretty good quality and outdoorsy. Does it outdoorsy feeling? Oh, wait, there's a little button here. I don't know. Let's open it up. Okay, it has a little button on the bottom too. I guess for the extra wind protection, they have this this flap here. Oh, okay. There's a loose thread here. Oh, it's in the zipper. Let's see. Okay, no problem. No problem. Oh, nice warm interior. Now, of course, this is QuinBoxed, so I can't really share my experience with it yet. Because, well, you just saw me unbox it. But I guess I'll wear it this weekend, and maybe I'll add some little notes, like over here, how it did. And, yeah. So, for now, this is the end of the QuinBox, but I know I still have some things coming in before I have to release this video. I just wanted to record it now, so that I had it, if I had to release it before those things came in. But, yeah. As always, thank you for watching, and thank you for using my links if you do. And it doesn't matter if you're buying LEDs or a winter jacket, or tools or equipment, or a phone case, or a phone charger, phone cables. You know, I still like the Baseus stuff. The Kalu I got in previous QuinBox, I think. I also tested that, and that came out quite well too. So that's also an option. And, well, as I said at the beginning, I'll have a little list of interesting items listed at the top of the video description. And if you want to help me out, I'm not asking you to buy stuff for or from me, but if you're buying something anyway, just, you know, click the link and go to Aliexpress that way. And with that, I thank you, and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.